Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a curlicue like I put on the pumpkins that's pictured on my very first of the video. So I'm using yellow because I figured it would be a little bit brighter and you could see it better. So how I do it is you, of course, make your little loop and then you simply chain 20. Okay, we got 20. Um, you can make these as long as you want, or you can make them shorter. It doesn't really matter. Just for the pumpkins that I have that I use my knitting machine for, I made them this long. Now we're going to double crochet into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to double crochet right there. And we're going to put 2 more double crochets in the same space you're in. And then you're going to go to the next chain and you're going to do 3 double crochets. And then the next one, and you just keep repeating this all the way to the end. Now, when I make my pumpkins, I usually leave this end thread a lot longer. That way it's easier to tie on because when you get to the end, you'll have another thread. So I'll come back when this is finished. When you get to the end, I just pull through and there it is. It's done. And this measures about 3.5 inches, maybe something like that. There you go.